So this is a warning that I hope everyone heeds because very, very quickly Shiba Inu supply is running out. I know we've talked about this before, but what people need to understand is that this is happening at a much more accelerated rate. It's happening more frequently and it's happening in larger quantities. And in fact, over the last 24 hours, there has been another 705 billion Shiba Inu removed from exchanges. Now, this equates to, I believe it was about $16 million. And this theme has become very, very consistent. Now, this isn't burns. This won't be out of the supply forever. But remember, the supply that is available for sale on exchanges is what new users that are coming into Shiba Inu are buying from. If there is not that much available on exchanges, which is this path that we're very rapidly heading down, the price can move very, very quickly. Right now, by my calculations, we're probably somewhere in that 145 to 148 trillion Shiba Inu available on exchanges, which may seem like a lot, but people need to understand that although people do hold stuff on exchanges, it's about what's in the order books. It's about what is actually available for lending and borrowing on exchanges. Things like that actually play an impact into the movement of price. Now, remember, when we look at Shiba Inu in terms of price overall, we can see a couple things happening. We can see that we are setting a climbing trend here. We are setting higher lows, which is a great sign. We're very quickly approaching this break point for this trend that Shiba Inu has been in. We're approaching this break box, which opens us up to faster movements to the upside. Really, once we get above here, guys, Shiba Inu can move very, very quickly. Just look at what happened back here. Look at what Shiba Inu did in the more recent time frame. The market just needs to be conducive towards a pump. The big thing that Shiba Inu needs right now is more adoption. All right, that's what the entire market needs as a whole. We've gone on some nice pumps recently here, but the thing is they haven't been sustainable. And it's because you don't have this sustainable amount of new people flowing into crypto. You don't have the adoption really taking off in a big way yet. And that's fine because remember, during these times, we typically don't see that anyways. It's typically later in the year of the halving and into the year following the halving. Alt season is when we see the highest rates of adoption in crypto. And those times are very quickly approaching. Now, currently we sit at about 6% of the world in crypto, and we're expected to be over 10% of the world in crypto by the end of this cycle. What do you think that means for that last year, late this year into next year? It means heightened amounts of users, heightened amounts of capital flowing into the space. And when you have something like Shiba Inu that has these high optics and is an easily adoptable retail coin, that's where you're going to see this big move in terms of Shiba Inu. Now, this is obviously not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, but this is what people are paying attention to. All right. People are sleeping on these metrics that show that SHIB is about to pop and move very quickly at any moment. And they're sleeping on the fact that SHIB is one of the most easily adoptable coin in the space. Users will flock to it just like they have early in the cycle. And it's going to move prices at very, very quick, very quick rates. So this is kind of that warning, guys. Time is running out. And I know that, we said this before. Many people throughout YouTube say this all the time, but look at the metrics. The metrics are telling you that supply is running out. At some point, when the demand increases, there will be a pop. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.